What's up everyone, welcome back to K2 Blogging, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can open all your external links in a new tab. So here I will show you how you can do it in your Blogger and WordPress website. So why you need to open your links in new tab? Because all the external links, if you keep it open in same tab, then user may leave your website and it may not come to your website again. So opening the external link in a new tab helps user to come back to your site easily, and it also helps you reduce bounce rate and increase user experience. So let's check how you can open links in a new tab. So there are various ways you can implement it, like you can add a target equal to underscore blank to the link element. So as you can see, we have a link HTML tag and we have added target equal to underscore blank, so that this link will open in a new tab or window. So by default, Blogger doesn't have any option to add open link in a new tab if you add the links in the header menu with a linked list. So let me just show you what I mean. So here let me go to layout and let me click on view blog here. So we have menus and I want to add an external link here, and if I click on that link, then it should open in a new tab. But if you go to Blogger layout and click on link list, you can only add links, but you can't open that in a new tab. Also, if you go to the HTML edit option, there is no option to add target underscore blank. So for this in Blogger, we need to use a script to open it in a new tab. And if you are using links in post, then you can directly add open link in a new tab. Just click on compose view, just select the text you want to add link, click on the link, and we have open link in a new tab or window. But for menu cases, we can add a open link in new tab. So for this, we can add a JavaScript code. So just click on here and click on edit HTML. Now I can add this script at the end of the code. So just search for the closing body tag, and you need to paste a script like this. So let me copy it and let me paste it here. Now what this script does is it opens all the external links in a new tab. So whenever you add an external link, it will automatically add a target equal to underscore blank to that link and open it in a new tab. So let's test this out. So suppose I want to add a links in the menu. So I will click on top bar menu and I can add a link of my website. Let's say K2 Blogging like this, and let's click on save. And let me click on the K2 Blogging link here. As you can see, it is opening in a new tab. But if I remove this script, then it will open it in a same tab. And let me remove this script. Now let's hit save. Now let me refresh it again. Now if I click on K2 Blogging, then this link will open in its same tab. So in this way, user can leave your website. So you should open all your external links in a new tab. Now let's check how you can implement it in WordPress website as well. So WordPress has that option to open links in new tab. So you have to manually click on that. Just go to post and let me click on any one of the blog post here. And here if you click on the link, and here you will see this option open in a new tab. And for menus also, you can open links in a new tab. Just go to menus, and here by default you will see there is no option to open links in a new tab. As you can see, we have some external links, but there is no option. For this, you need to click on screen option, and here you need to enable the link target option. And after that, you will see an option open links in a new tab. But if you have a lot of external links, then you can also do it with a single click. So if you are using rank math on your website, then you can just go to general setting, and under the links you will see an option open external links in a new tab. Just click on save. After that, all your external links will open in a new tab. Let me refresh it. So let me go to blog page. Let's click on here and let me click on here, and as you can see, this link is opening in a new tab. Let's click on here, and it is also opening in a new tab. So This will only work with the links that is within the blog post, but it may not work in case of menus. So you have to individually enable that option. From appearance, click on menus and click on open links in a new tab as shown earlier. So for menus you can enable open links in new tab, and for blog post you can just enable the rank math settings from general settings and enable all external links in a new tab. And you can also use a script to open all external links in new tab. So just click on code snippet. Here we are using a code manager plugin, which is WP code plugin. Here you will get the option header and footer. So you need to paste the script in the footer section. So you can use the same script in WordPress as well. Just paste this script, click on save changes. Now let's go to the front end and let me disable the rank math option first. So let's go to general settings and let me disable it first. Now let me go to the front end and let's click on the link, and as you can see all the external links will open in a new tab. So if you use this script, then it will work throughout the website. It will work in menu, sidebar, footer and everything. But for rank math it may not work in menus, but it may work in your blog post links. So this is how you can open all your external links in a new tab, whether it is a blogger website or WordPress website. If you still have doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.